I'm about to show you something that looks like bending a nail with your mind, but the truth is way simpler than you think. Here is a normal nail, looks completely straight, but you can bend it with your mind power. Just like that. It's very hard and completely normal. No weird tools, no gimmicks, just a normal nail and some training. If you wanna know how it is done, stick around till the end. It's a clever play with angles. Hi everyone, I'm Parsa and I'm here to teach you how to impress anyone with magic. I'm a magician for a few years, but new in English. And if you want to learn magic and impress anyone and blow people's mind, just subscribe my channel and watch my other video and enjoy it. Let's go to this tutorial. Here's how it works. I have already bended the nail just a tiny bit, right near the head, about 20 degrees or so. But in this angle, it looks totally straight. When you hold the nail between your fingers and slowly rotate it with your fingers, the bend becomes visible, making it look like it's actually bending. The key is your audience's angle. They need to see the bend from a spot that bend is hidden, but when you turn it, the bend shows. Also, use your other hand to distract their eyes. That way, no one suspects the trick. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you learned this magic trick, like this video, and thank you for watching.